Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping like a pro. Remove polish, push back cuticles, and buff only the shine so product adheres. Once done, match tip sizes or lay out your powder or gel system. Organization saves time and mistakes. Apply dehydrator and primer to increase bond, then set the tip or brush on base coat within about 60 seconds so it bonds before skin oils return. Make sure to check fit and alignment before moving to the next step. Now you build structure. Lay down a thin first layer and cure or allow it to set. This creates a stable base. Next, add product to create the apex over the stress point, which prevents breaks. Use thin layers and cure between each pass. Once cured, file with 180 then 240 grit to refine shape and blend the seam so transitions are invisible. Keep checking thickness. Too much product adds weight and causes lifting, so err on slightly thinner layers. Finish by applying a full coverage top coat and curing completely. Then remove any tacky residue and oil the cuticles to restore flexibility. Once done, file final edges, buff lightly for shine if needed, and press each nail gently to confirm adhesion. If you notice lifting, stop. Remove the loose product, re-clean and dehydrate the nail, and reapply primer before rebuilding only the affected area. This targeted rebonding prevents full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.